Hi everyone, welcome back to another Temu review. Today we are looking over this under the door draft blocker. So basically what it is, it's just foam. You got to be careful so you don't rip it, and it slides underneath your door and it stops the, air and the draft from coming under your door. Now, before we actually try it out, how much would you pay for this? What do you think this is worth? It's just a very lightweight foam piece. Okay, we paid, are you ready? This was 80 cents on Temu, so less than $1 for this. Now, let's go see if it actually works. Okay, as you guys can see, it actually does work. Now, you can cut off what you don't need. So as you can see here, it's a little too wide. Let's go ahead and pull this down here. Or not wide, but a little too long. We're gonna go ahead and cut this piece off. Now this is something you probably aren't gonna be using, or you don't wanna use it on a door that you open all the time. Now we didn't cut it enough because of our little wood here, but you guys get the idea. This would probably be on a door that leads outside somewhere, and you would place this when you're winterizing your home. Now you can keep it on, just slowly open it and it should be fine depending on the gap. But yeah, it does actually work.